Stories that have been saved to the public folder are available to everyone. All other stories can be manually shared with specific users, either from the Files area or from within the story itself. We can send a link to the story directly to other users, or grant access to specific users within the system. Here, we can select all users or one or more teams or individual user accounts. In this example, we'll share the story with John. We can also specify the type of access for each selected team or user account: read, update, or full control. Note that the story has been shared. Now we'll log in as John and open the story. John has received a notification that Rachel has shared her story with him. If we click the notification, the story opens. However, because John has read-only access, we can't switch from view to edit mode. If we want to grant John permission to make changes to the story, we can return to Rachel's account and adjust the sharing settings. Here we can adjust the type of access for each specified user or team. Now, when we return to John's account, we have full access to all the features in the story, including sharing the story with other users. Note that sharing a story doesn't automatically grant the new user permission to view all the associated model data. Refer to the videos on applying model security and privacy for more details. Thanks for watching.